Hi, this is Walton Guerrero, and I'm going to be showing you how to remove the radio frequency hub or RF hub for a 2011-2012 Dodge Journey. It's located in the rear of the vehicle, actually in this part right here. If you can see the diagram right there. Okay, you start by removing this plastic right here. It has a couple of clips. It has one right there. It has a center clip right here, and the next one is this one here. And then there's two clips that hold the carpet to the roof, one there and one here. So you remove those, and then you see the hub right here. Let me see if I can get the phone to focus. There's one of the screws right there. It's a 10mm, and on the opposite side right there is the other one. Once you remove those, the RF hub will come out, and it has two connectors on each side. Okay, just remove it and send it to us for repair or replacement. And then once you receive the new one or the repair unit, just plug it back in, put everything back in its place, and start the vehicle. Thank you for watching.